Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off USB storage on WhatsApp. When you get the error for fix internal storage required error on WhatsApp, just close WhatsApp, and then what I want you to do is just hold on to your WhatsApp icon. Click here on app info, and then I want you to come here, click on permissions, and then I want you to turn off some permissions. So click on camera and change this to don't allow. Do the same thing with photos and videos. Change this to don't allow. And then what I want you to do is do that with microphone as well. And now I want you to go ahead and open up WhatsApp again. And then you can go and just open up any random chat and try sending something. So let's say something from the gallery. Now you need to allow permissions. Okay, click on continue, allow all access, right? And now you can access your gallery. This will fix that issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.